Hey YouTube, Mark with Ultimate RC. I'm going to do a quick run of the Losi Hammer Rey. Middle of probably a 8-inch snowfall we're supposed to get here. Just kind of wanted to run it out a little bit. See how it does in this. It's very wet stuff. But the wheels on are pretty good, so you can run it in this. One of the reasons why I like this truck is the wheel clearance on it. Gives you something to do this time of year when, of course, you're like me, you're not flying. Of course, as much as we're forecast to get, we're not likely to, won't be able to run this here once all the snow falls, but well, yeah, just a fun truck to run in this stuff. I've seen some people post on the channel that they run this at their sand dunes by Lake Michigan, which I'm sort of close to Lake Michigan, but I'm the west shore, so we don't have a ton of sand dunes, although I think I did find one down by Racine that I might be able to go to at some point, but that's about an hour drive for me, so nothing convenient. But that's where I do a lot of this stuff in the winter time. Actually, we get a good hard packed surface. I'll set up, make jumps out of the snow and stuff like that out in the backyard and run a course there. Hope to have that kind of video this year. But a lot of it's going to depend upon how much snow we get the next few days. We got another storm forecast for another 5 to 6 inches on Friday here. So what has been a very lackluster winter in Wisconsin is quickly turning the other way. But kind of wanted to get this just out quick. Doing this on my break from work from home. So I don't have a lot of time to run. But just wanted to show the capabilities of this truck. I'm actually at, this is 75% throttle. We'll put it in 100 here once. Got a little bit of battery left. Well, it definitely kicks it there. So yeah, Verizon had a really good sale on this truck over the holidays, so if you had a chance to pick it up, let me know what you think of it. Again, I really like this truck. Fun to run and stuff like this. And another vehicle I have that I can run in this is I do have the Armored Granite. I will handle this stuff pretty well too. This one's got just a little bit better clearance. So getting low on juice. You can hope to get a better well, she really likes to flip over and land upright. You can hope to get a better video where maybe I can do some running in the backyard with a kind of a course setup at some point. We'll see how that all works out. But I just kind of wanted to take advantage of the snow that I got. Thanks for watching, YouTube. Like and subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications. In the Losi Hammer Rey. you have the opportunity, get this truck. Mark with Ultimate RC.